Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystic Tarot. This is a pick a card reading for all those who are open towards the universe and expecting someone to come in their life, whether you are single or just became a single person or simply waiting for someone to be attached with. So I have three piles over here and I have three stones. This is a black stone, you can see. Then I have this blue one and this yellow one. So at this point you can stop this reading and concentrate on all three piles and can decide which pile you want to choose and with which pile you can feel more associated and more inclined towards. It is also possible that you can see all three readings and try to figure out which relates to your situation more right now and what you can expect accordingly. But I will put a timestamp in the description box. You can see that as well and choose your desired reading from that. So I will start from the very first pile with the black stone, and we will see the people who have, or group of people who have chosen this pile, what they can expect in the life and who is coming towards them and till which week or month, or what is the possible time period when they can expect someone new or someone coming back. Anything is possible. So let's see. First of all, we will see that the group of people who have chosen this black stone, where they are standing in their life right now, what kind of situation they are in right now. Hierophant. Then I have Five of Swords. Okay. So what the cards are telling me is that you might be into a relationship, but now you are standing at a crossroad and you are just trying to decide what to do, whether you should leave this relationship or just stay or stick with the same person. But the point is that you are having some kind of doubts, or maybe with some of you, they have realized that it is true that the other person has cheated on them, or the person is trying to take benefit of them, or maybe the person is so much selfish that he or she is taking so much from you and not giving back enough. And maybe your person, maybe your current person or the person you are dealing with right now is just trying to have everything around themselves rather than sharing and living together. Maybe this is a typical kind of cheating where one person is giving their attention and their love to more than one person, because there are three people in this card, and it is also possible that your current person is trying to manipulate with two different people, and this can be a third party situation as well. So this is your current situation, but I feel you have realized that this current situation is not good, this current relationship is not good, and you are thinking to leave this behind because of this cheating. Okay, I believe your person will be entering in your life when you will get through this change. I have two cards of number 5, both cards are number 5. So 5 is associated with a big kind of change, a change which has pain in it, and you just went through that pain and went through that change to get something better in your life, to achieve something new. So let's see, after getting rid of this relationship completely, who will be coming towards you. Since this reading is a timeless reading, so no month, no date, no year is associated with it. You can watch at any time, and you can calculate the time accordingly whenever you will be watching this. Okay, so the person coming towards you has a very feminine energy associated with the person. Feminine energy doesn't mean the person is a female. It means that the boy or must be having feminine signs in their chart if you are a girl and dealing with a boy. What I can see over here is that the person coming towards you has a strong water and earth energies in their charts. Person is looking very loving, unconditionally loving, very caring, very nurturing, a very protective person, and this person is really ready to give you the cup of love, and they want to give you a relationship offer, and they want to give you a love message as well. But I feel this person already exists in your scenario, because the person is already ready. I can see over here the person is looking ready to give you this cup. I feel the person is already in your environment, in your close proximity, but he or she is not doing that because of you, because of your this previous relationship status. Person is very much looking confused and puzzled whether he or she should move towards you or not, because of all this situation which is over here. So I feel as soon as you will decide to get rid of this situation, and you will be able to move forward from this change, and you decide to leave this completely leave this situation behind. As soon as you will do that, the person will be coming towards you and will be offering this relationship and this partnership cup to you. All what is holding this person back is your own status. Okay, now we will see when you can expect this person to come into your life. First condition, as I have mentioned, you have to get rid of this previous situation first of all. Secondly, what time is associated with this group of people whenever you are watching this reading. What time is associated with this group of people that the person is coming towards you. Wow, now this is Ace of Wands, as you can see. Ace of Wands can predict 1 week to a 1 month time period. So whenever you will be ready and just left this situation, I feel you have decided about this within a month or within a week period to 1 week to a 1 month period, the person will approach you and will offer you this cup as well, this loving relationship towards you. And I feel the person might be some wheatish kind of complexion. It is also possible that person has a medium height, whether boy or girl. The person might have a medium kind of height, not very tall, just medium structure, but very loving, very caring, very protective towards you, very nurturing towards you. This person can be very much inclined to stay in the home, not a party person at all, just to take care of the family, take care of the house and household activities. This is what I can see over here. Okay, so I have 2 more cards to see the situation. The first one is the thinking woman and the second one is the community. Okay, so what I have told you earlier, I feel this person is already existing in your environment. It can be your religious community, it can be from your student life, it can be from your workplace, it can be in the close family, part of your close family relationship. person is already existing in your environment, already there, but he or she is very quiet and silent about the feelings and not telling much or showing much because of your own situation you are going through. I feel there is a possibility to see this person whenever you are watching this reading. After at that moment, whenever there will be any kind of religious gathering, religious occasion, any birthday party, wedding or something like that, any celebrations, I feel you will be able to see this person around at that time. And also timing card, which as I have told you, Ace of Wands, from 1 week to a 1 month time is possible that you people start start a connection with each other, and very soon this connection will turn into a relationship. Okay, so this was the first reading for those who have chosen this black stone. I hope you will like this reading. Please give a thumbs up to this reading, and don't forget to subscribe as well, so that you can see all the readings which I am going to be posted in the future as well. So let's see what's coming for those who have chosen this blue stone. If you are inclined towards this blue stone, let's see what is your situation currently, what is your relationship status currently, whether you are single or in a relationship or getting out of some relationship, and whether you are ready to accept someone or not. I have 4 of Wands, Ace of Wands, sorry, I have 4 of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. Okay, I feel the group of people who has chosen this blue stone for the reading, they are very much conscious about their own feelings, and simply holding back everything in their heart, like this person, not telling anything, not opening up, just holding everything. Every emotion is securely tightly secured and just kept inside, but there is a fire burning inside of them. Ace of Wands. This group of people wants to have a very passionate relationship, but somehow they are not showing this to someone or anyone. They are not talking about this. They are more interested in holding back their emotions and feelings. Let's see why so, and who is coming towards this group of people who has chosen this blue stone. Okay, I have 6 of Swords, 10 of Cups, 9 of Wands, then I have Temperance and Knight of Cups. Okay, I hope you can see cards well. So the person coming towards this group, towards this blue stone group, I feel this person has many experiences in the recent past, and they have learned so much about the life and the relationship and all. Now they have decided to move to the calmer waters, and they are just tired of the drama and all that. I feel this person who is coming towards this group is just simply getting out of a relationship which was very dramatic, or not having a good relationship in the previous times, and they just recently get out from that previous situation. Now they wants to move towards this 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is a card of extreme happiness, extreme family bliss, where you have house, where you love, have a lovely partner or a spouse even, because this is a marriage card for me. But somehow this person is holding their emotions as well due to the previous experience, because they have seen so much already. Now they are very much conscious, they are very much careful, they want to proceed slowly and carefully, they want to just keep those experiences in front of them which they have recently. That is why they are moving slowly, they are just looking everything, they are just observing all around. I feel in this relationship, in this couple, in this group, there is a divine feeling of relationship, because temperance is a card which I associate with twin flame couple. So there are chances that this person is divinely guided towards you, which I can see over here, that someone is getting out of one relationship which was very bitter and very nasty, you can say, and very they have seen so much drama over there. Now they just want to go to a calmer, softer place where they can have peace of mind, and the person wants to give you a cup of love as well. I feel there is a possibility that they are still very much conscious to offer this cup to you because of your own closeness. Since you have closed your emotions, you have closed your heart, you are not showing your emotions, you are not showing your intentions, and they are not able to see anything. That is why they are just guarding their self as well, and they are just looking and trying to decide should they move now or should they hold on furthermore. Your closeness has made them bit conscious as well, basically. So you need to show this thing to the world, show this thing to the universe, that you are open towards the new relationship, and you are open towards the someone to accept to start a new relationship as well. Now we will see what is the time factor over here in this group. Whenever, since this reading is a timeless reading, so whenever you are watching this reading, you will calculate the time accordingly, your watching time. So the timing card, okay, so timing card I have is the Tower. Tower is the card which shows the present moment. It is happening now. It is also possible that it takes a bit time of getting together, or it is also possible that you realized suddenly out of nowhere, a sudden revelation come to your mind, and you just suddenly realize that, oh, that is the person. See, so this card shows the present situation. Now whenever you are watching this reading, it is possible that at that moment you realize who is this person, and this person and you should show a slight kind of expression that you are interested in a relationship building as well. Okay, what else I have over here? Okay, I have Door to Spirit and Healer of Ages. As I told you that I have a twin flame card over here, so again these cards are telling me that someone is coming towards you, and someone is coming in your life with whom you will have a spiritual relationship as well. This person can be Sagittarius, and it is also possible that the person has Aquarius side of the zodiac as well in the chart. This person will bring healing to you, and vice versa. You are also become a healer to this person, as this person is already having enough in the life in the relationship sector. So this is a very beautiful couple which I can see over here. Relationship is also very spiritual. What you need to do is you need to just open your heart space and open yourself towards accepting this person as well, and just try to find out who is this. Again, I will tell you that person can be a Sagittarius, or it is also possible that the person is a Aquarius, is an Aquarius. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. Please gives a thumb up to this reading, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see all the readings which I post. Surely you can join my Saturday and Wednesday live as well. Now let's see what's there for the group who has chosen this yellow stone. I hope you can see the color. This is the yellow stone, and we will see who are you and what kind of situation you are in right now. Are you single, or you married, or you're getting out of a marriage, or you are just expecting someone to come, whatever the situation is. Okay, again I have Hierophant, Death. Okay, I feel this is the group, or you are the person who have chosen this yellow stone. I feel you are the one who is just came out of marriage, came out from a committed relationship. This is also possible that you are trying to get away from a marriage, and you are just going through this process of ending something in your life which is committed, which is in the paper, on the papers, which are something which is legally you are bound to that relationship legally, and something is legal as well. Sorry, I'm saying the same thing again. Let's see who is the person coming towards you. I have 10 of Wands, then I have Tower, 6 of Cups, and I have Father of Wands, yani King of Wands, and 10 of Pentacles. Okay, I see. So first of all, let me say this again. The person or the people or the group who has chosen this, most of them I feel they are coming out of the marriage, or they are deciding to just leave a marriage situation behind, and ending of a wedding as well. And the person coming towards you, I feel you already knew this person, first of all, and secondly, in the past you might have some kind of relationship with the same person as well, but that relationship won't work at that time in the past, and it was a difficult situation to carry, so you people just broke up. But now, after all these years, I feel a lot of time has been passed, and after all these years, that same person is missing you. He or she just want to have reconnect with you. There are roots in the past. Your relationship has roots in the past. And it is also possible that the person is feeling nostalgic about that good time which you were having, both of you were having at some time. But somehow situation won't work very long for you, and you just broke up with this person as well. Now this person is trying to come back to your life. Most probably the person is waiting for this ending in which you are going through. I feel this person is a fire sign. It can be a Leo. This King of Wands, I feel, is a Leo. This time the same person with whom you have broke already in your life, but this time this person wants to establish a family relationship, a family binding with you. the person is very much interested to make a house or home with you and establish a long-term relationship. Okay, so let's see what is the timing associated with this group who has chosen this yellow stone. Okay, I have 6 of Pentacles. So since this reading is a timeless reading and you will calculate time whenever you will watch this reading, I feel this can be a 6th month of that particular year when you will be watching this, or it is also possible that you come across this person after 6 months when you will be watching. Either it is a June or whenever the 6th month will come according to your watch time. There is a possibility that you people again see each other, again meet each other, and just try to memorize those good old days, and with that memory that same person try to reconnect with you after reminding you how good that was time when you both were together. It will take some time, 6 months are there which I can see, but hopefully this situation can turn into something very stable, positive, grounded relationship. Okay, so what I have more? I have victory and indecision. There is a possibility when you will see this person, you need to be very much sure about yourself, that what you want in your life. You might be standing right now you might be standing at a crossroad due to all this situation. Okay, but I feel soon you will get over this indecision and you will choose a path with which path you want to go in your life, and whichever path you will choose, I feel there will be a victory for you. See, this person is standing at a crossroad and the second card is victory. I feel whenever you will decide to move ahead, that will be a good time for you, and this ending, if it is making you sad, I feel this is a right time to decide and move ahead. Whenever you will watch this reading, if you are confused about ending your first relationship, again you are getting another message through this reading that it's time to end that marriage and end that relationship. I feel you are already going through this change, basically going through this ending already. Okay ji, so this was the reading for the group who has chosen this yellow stone. I hope you will like this reading as well. You can see all 3 readings. You can see these readings for your friend or family as well. Please give me a thumbs up on this reading. I will surely hopeful for your feedback. With the next reading, I will see you again. Take care. Bye.